This is the first time in years Indianapolis is expected to get slammed with a winter storm, and those conditions could get dangerous. WRTV's Nadja Wood shows us how Hoosiers are getting ready.
We are all hands on deck.
The Circle City is preparing for potentially one of the biggest snowstorms in nearly 3 years.
The impacts themselves from the weather will last probably on the order of 24 to 30 hours.
City officials say crews will be working around the clock to help keep those roads safe.
So we're looking at 70 trucks, but over 80 to 100 crew members that will be gathered to help us with this fight.
Albany Hart with the Department of Public Works says they'll have 15,000 tons of salt on hand.
We are going to prioritize our major thoroughfares, and that is for our emergency first responders. Then we will start to work our way into some of those smaller streets as well.
It's not just city officials preparing. Hundreds of Hoosiers hit gas stations and grocery stores on Saturday ahead of the storm.
Very busy. Shelves are starting to get emptier. Long lines, but they went fast. I wanted to get ahead of it, just knowing to prepare everything in our house. So we're going through a checklist, and I just want to have some good, healthy things.
Just getting groceries and necessities I need, just in case it's too bad out here.
And if it is, city officials are asking Hoosiers to do their part.
Residents are asked to limit unnecessary travel overnight on Sunday.
If you must use the roads overnight on Sunday, please drive below the speed limit. Give additional space between yourself and other drivers. And for both your safety and that of the crews, please give our drivers extra room on the roadway.
Nadja Woods, WRTV.
Now, cold will also be a concern with the winter storm. City shelters, along with the overflow shelter at former IPS School 68, will be open. Indy Parks will also serve as warming centers for anyone who needs them. Now, those locations and hours are all listed on our website, WRTV.com. Just check for this story.